you've got to be confident to drive on these roads.
Yeah.
See what I mean? Like you get confronted by anything.
Big truck.
Holy bagoli.
Jesus, babes, I worm that.
You're gonna try it
Babes,
first.
I worm that. That's
yeah,
a worm.
It's a worm.
I don't eat worm.
It's Island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
Portland is sad that I'm leaving. Don't worry, beautiful Paris, I'll be back.
Paddy.
Baby, light up the weed, oh yeah. That nothing to go again. She's for me, I roll together and a blunt bread. And it bring me to the sky, so me see the joint there. I split my feet, sweet like fudge. Me not line me up, that girl I feel. Choke me up, light up the weed, oh yeah. One more baby. Remember when we poor and made underrated. Sometimes I can't believe someone really made it.
My left-hand side, but if you were on my side, you literally look down and you're at a cliff. Like the mountains itself can tell you how seriously dangerous this could be driving through here. I've got a pile of cars behind me, but I don't think, you know, people are willing to overtake today. You know, these roads. It's okay during the day. At night, I've done it. I've done it plenty of times at night. Yeah. Haven't I, babe?
Yeah.
So at night it's much more scarier for me because obviously you've got to beep in every corner to make sure that there's no, you know, trucks or buses or, you know, taxis or anything around ready to have a head-on collision with. You don't want none of that. Yeah, speeding here is not a very good option in any of the roads because the roads here are pretty bad as well. You don't want punctured tyres and you know, broken, you know, rims, I don't know, something. So I've had to fix the tyre up a couple of times. I've had to pump them up to make sure that they're roadworthy, like safety for us. And see, here's when this car decides to overtake. That's fine, he can overtake. You'll see them overtaking, but they hesitate. Sometimes you get hesitate. Like I hesitate a lot when I'm overtaking. I won't really overtake on these narrow roads because what happens if you overtake, you don't know what's ahead of you, you know? On these bended roads now.
Oh, big truck.
Holy bagoli.
See?
Alright, hang on.
Stuff like this too happens through the junction, you know?
Babe, just watch your camera.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm going to go into a ditch there, I think. I'm going to go through a ditch here.
Alright, don't go any further.
You can't go any further?
I don't think so. Oh, these people must be running out of patience with us.
Not our fault.
For real. Through the junction, that's how it is. Narrow roads and big trucks.
There you go, guys. That just tells you that it's not a safe road to take, but it's the only road to go to Kingston. And if you come here by bus, which means, babe, I had the opportunity to do it in one of our earlier vlogs. You know, so I would not let my family members drive here. I would drive here for my family members because I know the roads. But I mean, babe will show you some more like as we speak. I'm really busting near the toilet, just thought I'd mention that. Okay, but I'm gonna park the car and I'm gonna go for a little walk and I'm gonna show you guys how depth it is driving through these roads. So just bear with me one moment. I'm not looking my greatest today, but that's because all types of emotions going through my head. But just give me a minute. I'll get back to it. You know, I forgot to film that, how that is built on a...
Oh yeah, look at this guy's right on the edge right here. It's crazy.
timber. Just timber holding it up.
Yeah, crazy. You look through the mountain there. Crazy mountain like this we have to drive through, guys. It's no joke.
No joke.
Yeah.
So guys, we're back at it again. Driving through
Junction
and looking at what people are selling on the side of the road. Windows down. Yeah, absolutely. These mangoes are absolutely beautiful, guys. If you ever come to Jamaica, please try the mangoes. Mangoes are the best. Pineapples are the best. Bananas are the best. Every fruit here is nice. Every fruit. Yeah.
It seems like it's gonna rain.
Is where we buy soup from, and their soup is usually really, really nice. We've had, always had good soup from this lady. She makes some really delicious soup. It's the only thing we buy is just soup. We don't buy anything else, anything more, anything less. We just buy the soup and head on through.
Yeah.
Is that how do you say it? Castleton.
Castleton.
It's sad that I'm leaving, but I have to go back to work and got lots of things to plan ahead, so that's the good thing. The bad thing is I'm going to miss my babe so much. So much. I'm going to be yearning for his kisses and hugs in the morning. This is a bus, so it's a bit of a tight squeeze, as you can see.
Country roads, you know?
Country roads, guys. Coming through. Yeah, I'm guessing all of these people here live up here in the mountains. They go down to probably Port Antonio or Kingston. This is Castleton now. A lot of these places you see, they're not the houses, they're just shops, right?
Yeah. Some of them are like shops and house at the same time, like the shop on the front and the house behind. Yeah, pure greenery, river and thing. We go through the mountain, them the hills and valleys, everything. It's a bit cloudy, might rain and thing, but yeah.
It's very pretty.
This is Jamaica, Land of food and water, and this is where we're gonna stop to get some soup. So our soup stop right down here, you see me? It's a mad thing. Yeah, man. We jamming.
For real. Let's roll, guys.
Yeah. Stop here when you come to Jamaica, you see me?
Yes.
This is the spot.
Definitely.
Yeah, police station right over there. And thing and go right there, so. Yeah, my general. Kind of soup you have there?
Yeah, John, repeat both. Let's pass up.
Some fish here as well. Bami and fried breadfruit. guys, so this is what you call a jackfruit. It's easy. Yeah, man. So I eat that, you know? Good old jackfruit. Yeah, man. So,
Hi guys.
yeah.
So I'm gonna try this is jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit. For the very
I'm gonna
first
try
time.
it. First time trying it. So let's see how we go.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's nice.
One of my favorite fruits.
Is it?
Yeah. If not my favorite.
Wow. So what's the benefits of this fruit?
It has so many benefits, I can't even remember them all at this moment, but yeah. Look it up online and yeah, that's lots of good
Let's see.
health benefits, you know?
Okay. Thanks, baby.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, and it can get sticky.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. Mango fan now.
Yeah, mango. Yeah, man.
Jackfruit. It's nice.
Yeah.
But I feel like I need something solid. All right.
Let's go.
Cool. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, my people, so we're here in Kingston, you understand? So we're here at our apartment now, isn't it? This is our last apartment before we go back home. So I'm just gonna quickly give you guys a little tour of the apartment. Understand? So let's go now. Yeah. Okay, so this is it, my people. I'll get this focus right. Kitchen here and thing. Yeah, nothing in there yet. There. It's nice. And for any one of these, for 35 US. Yeah, pretty decent. And this is the spot. Beautiful. Hey, chica.
Yep. Oh, king bed.
Yeah.
Yay.
Noise.
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 Yeah. And here we have the bathroom. Crazy. Shower and ting.
Yeah, I need a shower.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's pretty decent, guys. It's called Casa Pinto guest apartment. Crazy. Yeah, man, so that's it. Let's go now. You're gonna go to the movie later, you understand? So yeah, man, that's the brief, you know. So catch you guys on the flip. Let's go.
Let's go.
Our first movie night together. Yeah. So sooner or later, let's go now. Somewhere else. Okay, guys, so going to see Dr. Sleep. Yeah, at 8:40 tonight. So yeah, right over here, Sovereign Center. Nightlife, you know, in Kingston.
Should I know that the time will come when all evil man got to run?
At the cinema.
Cinemas.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
the movie doesn't start until
8:40.
yeah, and it's like 8:30 now. So in 10 minutes time, you know the vibes. Yeah, man. So yeah, I mean, this is it, guys.
What's
you know, it's
the
not
movie called? Dr. Sleep.
Dr. Sleep, you know, so yeah, that's what's up. You understand? Our date night, is it? Our last date night for this, what can I say? This trip, this round, this. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I don't know, this probably might be the end of the vlog for the rest of this one, you understand? So, anyway, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. You understand?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. You understand? Please subscribe, leave a like, comment, share. You know what to do. Let's go now.
Let's go.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah. Baby, what's that?
I think they're sour.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Island snacks. Crawlers. Jesus, babes, I worm that.
You're gonna try it
Babe,
first.
I worm that. That's
Yeah,
a worm.
it's a worm.
I don't eat worm. What's that?
It's a candy worm.
Come on, babe. What's
Yeah.
that?
Come on. Can I-
Nice. Sour, babe.
Mhm.
Sour. No, it's sour. It's not sweet. Just taste for yourself. Sour.
Oh wow, they're really nice.
No, they aren't. I don't want no popcorn, guys. This is what we have in. And also this M&M's. You know the vibes. Yeah. Date night. I don't know what's going on. What's that movie right now? What is that? I don't know what that is.
Babe, so did you realize this is a cinema?
Yes, I do.
In the next year or two, these guys will have decked out lounges and stuff in here.
Uh-huh.
Film the area.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
No, it's not pretty dark.
Yeah, for the GoPro it is.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah, really dark.
Oh, look, it's a twin, so we gotta have it.
What? That's not a twin, that's just stick together.
No, here you go.
No more. That's the rule. No more until the movie starts. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, more asleep.
Straight away, Grandpa's like, yep. Grandpa's like, I'm going.
Yeah.
So,
Time now.
it's Puppy's bedtime. Puppy, is your bedtime, Puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Puppy's bedtime, everybody. I think it's mine too. We both kind of fell asleep here for a minute, didn't we?
Yeah.
For a minute. Anyways, look at our faces.
I first.
Him
First fell
first,
asleep.
me second, him third again.
Yeah.
That was crazy.